The good news this Monday morning, the optimism is on the rise and so is Gift Nifty. Nifty bulls are likely to be firmly in command, with optimism set to dominate sentiment across Dalal Street. Why we stay constructive? Here are 5 key positive catalysts. 1. A strong start to India's Q2 corporate earnings season. 2. Easing fears of further trade escalation between US and China thanks to President Trump's easing remarks. 3. Fed optimism prevails, the expected trajectory of US rate cuts is likely to overshadow near-term trade concerns. 4. Global tailwinds, strong closing cues from Wall Street continue to underpin risk appetite. 5. The IMF's upward revision of India's FY26 GDP growth forecast by 20 bps to 6.6% adds to the positive backdrop. Long story short, it's likely to be up again for benchmark Nifty, with aggressive interweek targets placed at Nifty's all-time high at 26,277.35, and there is bright chance that the bullish momentum looks poised to extend towards Nifty 27,000 mark with an intermonth perspective. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 309 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1527 crores. Sentiments are likely to be super bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive rebound play. FANO October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 11.66 levels. At last check, USD INR, October, was trading near the 88.05 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.06 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.16. Nifty outlook, festive spirit on Dalal Street, bullish euphoria is quite likely as early Diwali party to continue. Nifty, CMP to 5710. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,350 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 26,277 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,600 and 26,000. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 83952. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 82,700 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,979 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,500 and 85,100. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57713. Bank Nifty's biggest interweek support at 56,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 58,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,200 and 58,800. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Riding the wave of prosperity, Dalal Street is likely to shine bright as bulls aim to celebrate another festive high. Stocks in spotlight. Here are 5 stocks which reported Q2 post Friday's closing. 1. Reliance delivers robust Q2. RIL Q2 FY26 results, net profit rose 14% to 22,092 crore rupees, revenue up 10%. 2. HDFC Bank Q2 net profit rises 11% YoY to 18,641 crore rupees, asset quality improves, comfortably surpassed street estimates. Asset quality improved on a yearly basis. 3. ICICI Bank Q2 net profit rose to 12,359 crore rupees, beating street estimates, driven by lower provisions and strong core performance. 4. Ultratech Cements Q2 net profit jumps 75% on year to 1,232 crore rupees, announces 10,255 crore rupees for capacity expansion. 5. PNB reported a 14% year-on-year rise in net profit for the September quarter, supported by steady business growth, improved asset quality, and robust digital adoption. PNB's net profit rose to 4,904 crore rupees, up from 4,304 crore rupees in the year-ago period. The earnings calendar promises to be eventful. Key earnings on radar this week. Thursday, 23rd October, HUL, Colpil, Larousse Lab. Friday, 24th October, SBI Life, DR Reddy's Lab, SBI Card, Coforge. Saturday, 25th October, Kotak Mahindra Bank.